So we're looking here to the Bitcoin price. What's the last status? Let's look here to the structure, what we had in the last days and weeks. Yeah. So I want to describe this and explain you this, what is happening in the past and what will happen here. If you look here to this formation, then you can see we were here at the channel 1. Yeah, this was channel 1 and this channel 2. So the price is staying here in the channel 1, going here to the downside, make here a fake outbreak and coming to the downside again back. Yeah. So, and most of the altcoins lose here a lot of value. You can see the Bitcoin price uh, drop here 1,500 points. But if you look at this time to the altcoins, then you can see that the altcoins going 20%, 30% to the downside. Yeah. Okay, we get here a retest and the price is coming down. And normally we have to test only this, yeah, 27,000. This was also my target, 27, 28,000. Yeah. And then normally the price have to drop to the downside. Yeah. Here. So this was the prediction. This was the roadmap. Yeah. But now the manipulation come in play. So our expectation was the price is going down. Yeah. If you're looking here from the technical point of view, it is the only way or the only situation that we can create here from this structure. There's no another possibility. Yeah, that what you see here at the moment, that here is the last manipulation. That means we see here a exclusive, fine, really in detail created manipulation. Yeah, experts see this. Um, I think if you look here to this structure, we stay here on these channels. The price will go a little bit up. But then I will not say here in the free channel how much we will go here to the upside. You can, if you are a member Bitcoin Club or higher, then you will see here the next targets. The price will go here up, but then there's a wonderful situation to short the Bitcoin price. Yeah, because again, I explain you this again. That what you see here is pure manipulation. So that means that this point here, I call this point X, yeah, and not I make this a little bit higher that you're not thinking, okay, this is the next target. So this point represent the same point what you see here. That means this here is pure manipulation. And this point have to come to this point. Yeah. So that you understand what happening here at the moment. And this will end really, really bad. Yeah. So this here, we can calculate the downtrend exactly because these patterns come to the end. That means 2 weeks, 1 month, in this time frame, I can say here exactly when the price will drop. You will see here a little bit more manipulation, especially if we reach the high level price. Yeah, the price will starting and will go sideways. Yeah, why this is going sideways? Because most of the people, if the high price is reached, would expect more higher prices. That's the reason why we will go up and down, up and down, up and down. Yeah. From this up and down, the price will break here this uptrend and then the horrible crash is coming. Yeah. Why we see this crash? Because the patterns show us here's a very ugly, bad pattern that is not funny. So this was the last, or for us, was the last situation, or is the last situation to selling here in this market. The problem is Bitcoin is going to the upside. The altcoins are not going so much to the upside. So the small investor lose at the moment, yeah, and the most of the small investor have no clue what happens. Yeah, the big investor steal the money from the small investor, and the small investor hopes that the Bitcoin price will fly. Yeah, but this is not happening. Even if you see here the price is going to 30,000, this is not a fly. This is a manipulation. Yeah. I know some of the subscribers have another views, um, but this is here really, really bad manipulation. So that what you see here is pure manipulation. Yes, we will go a little bit to higher prices. Yes, we have the structure for this, but this is not funny what will come here in the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months. Yeah. So this is really a good game from the rich and the elites. Let's look here again to the downside and upside. Let me look. Yes, makes sense. Yeah, I wanna last measure this in Fibonacci. Let's look and calculate this a little bit. Yes, makes sense. Let me look from here. Yeah, makes sense. So they will play here in this time frame, and then the horrible crash is coming. If you want this exclusive analyze, please write me, and then I can make for you the exclusive analyze, and there you can make a lot of profit to shorting the Bitcoin, um, because that will give you a really good smile in your face, because this is total manipulated here. This is really horrible. Yes, my predictions was also in the past, if you had the Bitcoin club to the upside. Yes, yeah, we saw this, but here exactly on this place, here, they did a manipulation. Normally this structure here, if they not manipulate the price, would end like this. Yeah, so the 36,000 or the 40,000 were possible. But in the case, the fact that the whales manipulate the price here exactly to the downside was the effect that the structure was destroyed. That means the Bitcoin price made not this pattern. They manipulate the whole pattern to the downside like this. And that's the reason why I'm saying to you that this year is a huge manipulated area. You think we will reach higher levels? Yes, we will reach higher levels, but yeah, chaos. Yeah, so then that's the reason. Yeah, okay, we can due to this behavior, we can say this exactly, or it's possible to predict. That's the reason why you have here at these levels 3 to 4 months a really good possibility to make really fat money. let's say over the summer they manipulate a little bit sideways, then we reach September, then this time frame is pushed 2 or 3 months later. Yeah, but the time frame or the area will come, and you can make here a lot of money if you're shorting Bitcoin. Yeah. So if you want this exactly, then I can make for you here the how can I say, the direction in which I expect the Bitcoin price, in which levels you can enter and in which levels you have to sell. Yeah. Plus, or we call this minus, um, I would say 1,000 or 2,000 points up and down. Yeah. If I say, okay, the price will go to 32,000, then calculate, please, plus 2,000 more that you're not liquidated. Yeah. So the manipulation is possible. This is if I sometimes I see, okay, the price has a level to 32,000, and then you see the manipulation a little bit more, then it's going to 33,000. So calculate there 2,000 points up and down. I would say have a nice day.